Oklahoma family is lucky to be alive today.
They were just trying to keep their pipes from freezing when suddenly flames were everywhere. News 4's Amaya Ward picks up the story from here.
This house behind me serves as a crucial reminder of space heater safety after one caused a large fire starting in the garage.
There was an enormous amount of smoke coming from this home.
Oklahoma City fire crews facing a wall of flames as they battled this house fire near Southwest 59th and Villa.
They explained they were just trying to keep their pipes from freezing up, so they had 2 space heaters in the garage, and they just placed them too close to some combustible items that caught on fire and started a house fire.
A common mistake a lot of Oklahoma families make.
Problem that we see is they put them too close to things that can burn.
Thankfully, 2 people inside the burning home escaped unharmed. OKC Fire wants to remind people unplugging their space heaters could save their lives.
These space heaters should be plugged directly into a wall outlet, so no extension cords. Just make sure that you give these space heaters space, that they're back well away. We'd like to say at least 3 feet away from anything that can burn.
Fire officials also note that regardless of the size, space heaters put out an enormous amount of heat.
If you put them next to something, that's flammable, it's just a matter of time before it catches on fire.
In Oklahoma City, Amaya Ward, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right, Amaya, thank you. The fire department says since the 18th of this month, so over the past couple of days, they've responded to more than 740 emergencies.